Conservation easements are basically a private landowner willing to give up the right to subdivide their land, to keep their land in its food producing capacity, which in cases of ranch families are in its wildland characteristics. So the land is, haven for wildlife and biodiversity, but it's also producing food. It's a haven for wildlife and biodiversity because ranch lands usually have very low numbers of humans and a minimal amount of fragmentation from roads and houses. So it's excellent wildlife habitat. It also, the private ranch lands in Colorado are the most biologically rich lands of all of Colorado.
These ranches provide a lot more benefit to the public than we really give them credit for. We all just talk about food production or beef or how many pounds of hay we can grow per acre, but there's really a lot more to it than that, and we're just beginning to really get a grasp on that and understand that ecosystem services and private ranch land is worth a lot more than just beef. It's the habitat here, the diversity of habitat, that clean water matter to everybody, that kind of stuff is all included.
Conservation easements are basically a ranch family's willingness to say forever this land is going to be kept in its wild, undeveloped state, in its productive capacity to grow food, to protect wildlife, and to ensure ecosystem services for the decades to come.